quick goggle tips from Sunshine Swim Center.
Hi swimmers. So one of the most commonly asked questions we get is about goggles. Should I have goggles? How do I wear goggles? What do I need to know about goggles? So a couple of items here that we have. We have some youth goggles and adult goggles. And so commonly asked questions about goggles are, how do I know if they fit? So when you're putting goggles on, you want the suction to still be on your face. So as you see with these, if I have these little ones on, it's just basically going to be really small on my face, and water is probably going to be getting into my eyes on the side, and it's going to be really tight, causing my eyes to have so much suction I probably can't see through them. So I would obviously have the adult goggles. These goggles, what you want to do is put them on and pull them over your head. If you're a female and you have a large ponytail, you might have to separate those, one on top and one on bottom of your ponytail. And you want them to create suction on your face, but not necessarily have so much suction that you're getting a headache, okay? And these goggles, they generally will come with multiple nose pieces, so you can switch those out based on what size your face might be. If you're wearing a swim cap and you have your goggles on the side of the goggles here, you're going to want this piece to be off of the cap. If it's on top of the cap, there'll be a little bit of a suction gap there and you won't get a good fit. And then you might find that when you're diving underneath the water, you got water coming into your eyes. Our littler kiddos that are really meant for these youth goggles, when they try to put on these adult goggles, what happens is they get this little off their face like this, and you'll see they have really small heads and really big goggles, and then they're not able to kind of utilize them correctly. And they'll constantly be playing with them in their classes and wasting time. We definitely don't want that. So making sure that you find the right size, either youth or adult, and then making sure that they have a good suction would be quick tips on how to use goggles correctly. Thank you for joining us here at Sunshine Swim Center. We look forward to seeing you at the pool soon.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on the pool deck soon.